kami. At as you can see naman, sa lagi ninyong nakikita sa vlog ko, at ito po ako ngayon, kasama ko yung boyfriend ko, namumundok na naman kami. Medyo nag-start pa lang kami pero hinihingal na ako. Tagal-tagal na rin namin hindi nakakapagbundok kaya na-miss namin. So today, nagha-hiking kami ng aking jowa. Hindi naman sin, punyeta. Here? Live here? Yeah.
Can we go back?
I think it will rain. Yeah. Are you scared, Sander? Are you scared? Mukhang uulan, guys. Ano ba yan? Ngayon na nga lang kami makakapag-hiking uli. Dumidilim yung paligid, tapos medyo kumukulog. Parehas kaming takot sa kulog. Kaya ang mangyayari nito, pag kumidlat, takbo kami parehas. Maiwan, mahina. So, are we going down now? Nagmamadali na kami. Mukhang mapapabilis yung pag-hiking namin kasi kumukulog. Natatakot kami na baka biglang umulan. Wala kaming masyadong dalang, wala kaming dalang raincoat, walang payong.
I have umbrella.
Yeah, but it's not too big, diba? So baka mabasa kami. Naririnig nyo yung kulog. Yeah, my boyfriend's there waiting for me. But do you think that trees have a monster?
Yes, baby. Let's get it.
Monster can eat people. I think it's really good weather for hiking, diba? Because it's not too sunny and not rainy.
You up here?
Are we going upstairs?
Let's go here first. Guys, nakababa na kami ng bundok. Andito kami ngayon. Ayan na. Lalakad na kami pa uwi. Umuulan na, guys. Kaya kailangan namin bumaba. Di ba nagpapayong na si Patricio? Dito siya dati, guys, nakatira sa Liu Xiangli. Before dun sa bagong apartment. And now where are we going, babe? Get some tea and maybe get some dinner after.
Okay. So, guys, makikita ninyo, ganito lang yung buhay namin when we are together. Simple lang. Lalayas kami, magagala. Mostly pinupuntahan talaga namin bundok, nag-hiking kasi we both love nature. Diba? You love nature, diba?
I love nature.
And you love me?
I love you.
Muulan na, guys. Natatakot akong mabasa.
But this one is just like exercise sports center.
So guys, nakikita niyo yung sasakyan na yan. Alam ninyo, manifesting balang araw magkakaroon din ako niya. itaga nyo sa bato. Char. So, just kitang-kita nyo masyadong madilim ang paligid. Malungkot ang langit. We went here with your friends, Dan. Baby.
Yeah, I remember this.
How's it Dan now? Hi, Dan. How are you?
It's good.
It's good. I hope you are happy there. Shout out to you, Dan. Here we now. Babe, how can I say that we're here in the place that we watch in basketball? Actually, I already said.
Yeah, you just said it.
And then I fight you here with.
Yeah, because you said I'm looking at the cheerleader.
So I feel so embarrassed now. I feel so guilty now. So inaway ko kasi siya dito guys dati nung nanonood kami. Tapos kasama ko si Dan. Kasama namin yung friend niya.
We went to the pizza place. So.
Yeah. And I was just like very tampo with him. Kakain muna kami guys ng dinner. Tamang order. Yung juice nila guys, parang palamig lang. Ito. Parang palamig yung lahat. Cheers! Isang tagal ng food. Ang dami kasing pila. Buti pa yun sa kanya dumating na guys. Sa akin wala pa. Tirik na yung mata ko, hindi pa dumalating. Oo, di ba siya kumakain na? So finally guys, dumating na yung food ko at eto. Kita nyo naman, feeling ko talaga sobrang spicy nito. Pero mild din pinakuha ko dun sa jowa ko. Pero ewan ko ba kung bakit. Let's see. It's not really spicy, but it looks really spicy. And it really tastes good, guys. It's very crunchy. Ayan. Ubus na si chicken. Ayan yung natira, guys. So guys, pauwi na kami. So are we going home na?
I guess so, because it's raining. It's not.
So guys, para kami basang sisiw na ngayon, pauwi na kami. Yan. Top 10 party. Diba ang shala ng MRT dito, parang airport natin sa Pilipinas. We are full na. So guys, dahil pauwi na kami. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!